So what about for this one, guys? This one, it's also straightforward. You should not panic, guys, when you see these questions. So for this one, guys, what you do, I can change this negative exponent to be positive. Let me start by changing those things. This one, they will come downwards. This thing, it's 9 over x 3 divided by x 2, 27 there. Do you see? It's better for you to work with positive exponent, guys. And now what you can do now, we can change this thing into its exponential form there. Meaning there you can press that thing 99 equal shift fact, which is there, it's 3 to the exponent 2, 3 divided by x2. What about this one, which is meaning that one there, it's 3 to the exponent 3. Do you see this thing? Yeah, so this thing now, it will be straightforward, simple. Now you can apply this second law there. You can apply a second law. When you divide same base, you subtract the exponent. This one, they got the same base, I will subtract the exponent, meaning that it's 2 minus by 3. Even here I'll say x, which is 3 minus by 2. Do you see? So this is what, guys, will happen there. Press this thing there, guys, on your calculator, will get -1 there. Then press that one there. Here, this thing there, it will give me what? It will just give me 1 there. Yeah. But you don't leave your answer in negative exponent. This is what you do then. You just put invisible 1. Then after putting invisible 1, that thing there, it will flip them. There, which is, this is that law there, the one that I told you. This can now, it will become like this there. It will be 1 over what? Over 3 1 there. So that one there, it's there, that invisible 1. And now this is what will happen on this one. That one there, it's here, guys. It is here there. It got that invisible 1 there. So this is what you will do there. Here I can put invisible 1. This will multiply here. This will multiply there. Meaning now my final answer there will be x over 3. Do you see, guys, this thing? Yeah. Because then, this is how it goes there. Yeah. Straightforward, that thing there. If now, guys, you come across with these questions, what will you do, guys? Let's say you come across with this question there, one of these questions there in a test. This one, they are kind of challenging at the same time, guys. You know, they are easy, man, these things. Only for you know the rules there. This is how, guys, I deal with this thing then. Because I know the rules. Here's, guys, the key thing. When you see, guys, a square root, you should know that here you got invisible 1 there. Actually, you got invisible 2, guys. Sorry. When you say a square root there, you should know that here you got invisible 2 there. Invisible 2. Do you see? So here I got invisible 2 there. So this is what I will do now. I'll say inside divided by outside. Inside divided by x outside there. Exponent inside divided by exponent outside. And now this thing, it is still here, 1 over 2. Do you see this thing? And now here's what I know. When I multiply same base, I add the exponent, which is 2 plus 1 over 2. That thing there will give you a, which is that thing there when you press there, it will be this thing there when you press, guys, on your calculator, it's supposed to give you 2 there. Let me just use my calculator there. 2, which is 2, and say plus 1 over 2. Yeah, you're supposed to get 2 there. Meaning this one, guys, it's your final answer. Do you see? Yeah. And this thing, guys, this one, 1, 2. It's 2 mark, that one. Yeah. What about this one there? Imagine yourself, you see something like this in a test there. This thing there, this, I can change it to be positive 1. I can change this thing there. Put invisible 1. This will come here, come there, come here, come there. Yeah. So that positive, guys, it will still be there. This thing there will be 1 over 3 1, and that one there will be 1 over what? 2 2 there. What I have done there, guys, I have changed what? A negative exponent there to be positive. Do you see? Yeah. So which is this thing there, guys? This is the same as plus 1 over 4, 1 over 3, Do you see? Yeah. So again, now here I can just do a bow tie, guys. This will multiply here, this will multiply there, and those one, guys, will multiply each other. Do you see? That one, it's a bow tie, meaning this is what we'll do there. This multiply there, it's 4. This multiply there, it's 3. This multiply that one, it's 12, which is this plus that there, it's 7 over 12 there. But if you don't understand, guys, the bow tie, from this step you can just press your calculator to get that answer there, which is there, it's what, 1 over 3, say plus 1 over 4, which is still that will get 7 over 12 there. Do you see? Which is your mark that will come here and will come from changing a negative exponent and simplifying a fraction, by the way, which is that thing also, it's 3 mark, this one. Then what about for this one? This one, guys, it's a straightforward question, this one. You can't say that exponent outside the brackets will multiply exponent inside the brackets. Here you can't do that because here we got positive there. That law, guys, you only apply it if inside the brackets there is no plus or minus. If here there is no plus or minus, you cannot apply that law. You only apply if here there is no plus or minus. If there is no plus or minus, you cannot apply this law. So here I cannot apply that law because here there is positive. The only thing that I can do is for me to take this thing upwards there, and here I will be left with the invisible one, meaning this thing that will become this, which is here it's 1 divided by that invisible one there. But remember, we don't write denominator as 1, we don't write numerator as, we don't write denominator as 1, we don't write exponent as 1. Meaning now this is your final answer for this question. So this one, it's also 1 mark, by the way. 1 mark. Do you see? Yeah. That one, it's 1 mark, guys. It's a free mark, by the way. So, you know, right, guys? Last question in maths all the time will be difficult. There is no doubt about that. Just like this one. Imagine yourself, you see something like this in a test, and they say that it's 4 mark. How will you do? So, this question, the first thing that I can do is for me to change the what? The negative exponent there. So let's just focus on this thing there, which is that thing there, it's minus 2, minus 2. So this is what I can do. I can put invisible one here. And this will come here, that will come there, this will come here, that will come there. That negative, guys, will be still there, meaning this thing there will just be B2 and A2, which is here. I still got those one here. I still got those one there. Do you see? And now, guys, in this case, what you should understand. So let me just say, okay, in this case, guys, what you should understand there, here, I can simplify this fraction there by applying a bow tie. This will multiply here, that will multiply there, those will multiply each other there. So meaning that this is what will happen. This will multiply there, here I got negative there. This will multiply there, which is B2. This will multiply there, which is A2. This will multiply with that one there. Meaning now this will be A2 and B2. Do you see? And remember, guys, here what I'm simplifying here, it is my numerator, by the way. It is that numerator. Meaning that now when I come to that fraction, this fraction now, it is still the same as B2 minus by A2 divided by what? By A2B. Divide by that thing there, which is B minus by A2 there. Because now what I just did there, I have simplified all of that thing there. I simplify it, then I bring it back there. Do you see this thing? Yeah. So again, now what I can do again now there, this fraction, guys, this, I can also write it in the form of B2 minus by A2 divided by what? Divided by A2 and B2. Here it's supposed to be 2 there. Do you see? Which is here now. Here it will just be divide by what? Divide by B2 minus A2 there. Ne? Yeah. And don't forget that here we got what? We got invisible one, by the way. There. We got invisible one, meaning now according to application of fractions, the way we apply fractions, guys, when I change what? A division, when I change a division, guys, that division there, when I change it to multiplication, a right hand fraction will flip, become like this there. Do you see? Meaning when I change this thing like this, that thing will become like b2 minus a2 minus a2 divided by b2 there. Do you see this thing? Yeah. And now what I know is that when I see multiply between two fractions, numerator multiply to a numerator, denominator to a denominator. These will multiply each other, these will multiply each other. This will become like this now. It will become anything you multiply by 1, you get the same thing there. Which is here, it's b2 and b2, which is b2 minus by 2. Close. Do you see? And now here's a key thing now. This will get cancelled, those two things there. And now here I will be left with what? With invisible 1, meaning now my final answer there will be 1 over a, b, and b. Do you see, guys? Yeah. So let me check this thing. How many mark will it contain? Which is final mark. It's correct. By you simplifying all of that thing there, combining that, it's a final mark. And also by you changing this fraction and simplifying here. Yeah, I think this thing, it will contain 4 mark there. Do you see? Yeah. So hard question, guys, they like to be difficult, but you as a learner, don't take it like that. Just know this thing is straightforward. All the best, guys.